Hey everyone, in this video we will talk about measurement of scale in detail. Level of measurement or scale of measure is a classification that describes the nature of information within the values assigned to variables. The levels of measurement refers to the relationship among the values that are assigned to the attributes, feelings or opinions for a variable. Measurement of scale is how you measure your data and is a way to label data for analysis. In SPSS, the researcher can specify the level of measurement as nominal, ordinal and scale. It is required to define the variables on the basis of nominal, ordinal or scale. In the primary research, a questionnaire contains questions related to different variables. Some variables can be nominal, ordinal or scale depending on their nature. For example, variables like name, qualification, age, gender, performance, stress, experience are different by nature. Some are numeric, string or alphanumeric. Some of those variables cannot be ranked, some can be ranked but cannot be quantified by any unit of measurement. While some can be ranked as well as can be quantified. Each of those variables will be measured using nominal, ordinal or scale, which I will discuss in detail. Nominal scale is categorical data are used for labeling variables, without any quantitative value. Nominal scales are kind of like names or labels. Nominal data has no order. You cannot perform arithmetic or logical operations on the nominal data. Here are some examples. While filling out the survey, you see questions like what's your name? What is your qualification or experience? The answer you get is in string, so this kind of data is nominal. Similar is the case with gender. Male or female, the data you get is in string, which cannot be added or subtracted and are just names or labels. So all these variables are nominal because these variables don't have any numeric value. Ordinal data is categorical data which is placed into some kind of order by their position on the scale. It measures non-numeric concepts. With ordinal scales, the order of the values is what's important and significant, but the differences between each one is not really known. Ordinal data can perform logical operations. Likert type scales, such as on a scale of 1 to 5, with 1 being strongly disagreed and 5 being strongly agreed, represent ordinal data. For example, it is often used to measure attitudes and perceptions. A survey may ask how satisfied a customer on 5-point Likert scale, from very satisfied to very dissatisfied. This data is ordinal since it is unknown whether the intervals between each values are equal on a 5-point scale. The difference between dissatisfied and very dissatisfied is not perceived to be same as difference between very satisfied and satisfied. A scale variable is a variable that has a numeric value. A variable can be treated as scale when its values represent ordered categories with a meaningful metric, so that distance comparisons between values are appropriate. It can perform mathematical computations. Interval and ratio are often treated as one scale. A scale that categorizes and rank orders item, has equal intervals and a 0 that means nothing is being measured. Examples of scale data are age, height, income, time, weight and temperature. Now let's review. Nominal scale is a naming scale, where variables are simply named or labeled, with no specific order. Ordinal scale has all its variables in a specific order, beyond just naming them. Scale offers labels, order, as well as a specific interval between each of its variable options. In addition to that, it can also accommodate the value of 0 on any of its variables. For a question such as, what is your name? Where do you live? This type of data is nominal. What is your gender? Male or female? The data that you get is in string form, so this type of data is nominal. Next example is, how satisfied are you with our services? Here, the order of variables is of prime importance and so is the labeling. Very unsatisfied will always be worse than unsatisfied and satisfied will be worse than very satisfied. This is where ordinal scale is a step above nominal scale. The order is relevant to the results and so is their naming. Now consider the following question. What is your income? The data that you get is numeric, so this question falls into category of scale. A ratio scale is used to calculate market share, annual sales, the price of an upcoming product, number of consumers, etc. Now consider the following question. What is your weight in kilograms? In this question also the data that you get is numeric, so this question falls into category of scale. I hope this gives you a clear overview on measurement scales. Thanks for watching.